Hi guys, welcome back to Modern Parenthood. As a busy mom of 3, I know I like to make all of my meals as simple as possible. So today I'm going to show you how to make chicken enchiladas with frozen chicken in 30 minutes or less using my Instapot and my oven. Let's get started. This recipe calls for 4 frozen chicken breasts, and it makes about 18 enchiladas. I had 2 extra chicken breasts I wanted to use, so I pulled them out and mixed it with the other pack. This recipe calls for 1 cup of water for 4 frozen chicken breasts. Make sure your top is locked. Hit the poultry button. It automatically cooks for 15 minutes and then hit start. I love my Instapot. If you guys like Instapot recipes, all I did was go to Pinterest and I did a Google search of Instapot cheat sheets. So make sure when you take the lid off of your Instapot, you're really careful because that chicken breast is going to be super hot. So in 15 minutes, your frozen chicken turns into juicy, tender chicken breast. If you guys would like to see any more recipes with the Instapot, please leave a comment below. All I'm going to do is take a fork and start shredding the chicken. And I'm really picky with the chicken, so I like to take off any type of excess fat or gizzard. So a lot of people might use a chopper. I just found that using 2 forks is a lot easier for me, and it's fast and less dishes I have to clean. So all I'm doing is just shredding the chicken. Again, if you're a busy mom, I'm sure you feel the same way. You don't want to have to clean any more dishes, so just using the forks would be just fine. And just pull apart any of the fatty chicken that you see, and I'm just putting it to the side. And then I'm going to keep on shredding it until it gets into nice sized pieces. Once you're done shredding, I'm just going to put it into a mixing bowl. If you're liking this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And I want to hear from you guys on what other videos you would like to see. Please leave a comment below. And I found that I needed to shred some more of it, so again, just take your fork and those big pieces that still needed to be shredded, just shred them up a little bit more. I like the Old El Paso, the green chili sauce when I make this recipe. And I actually found this recipe off the can of the Old El Paso green chili sauce. I don't follow it to a T. I just kind of take a few of the steps and I modify the rest of it. So I'm just mixing the green chili sauce with the chicken. Again, I'm just using a fork, less dishes I have to clean. And once you mix the sauce with the chicken, it will be that texture that you want when you put it into your shell. So then I'm just gonna spray the Pyrex dish. This is a 13 by 9 pan. I just sprayed it with some Pam, and then I'm gonna fill my fajita flour tortilla shells with chicken mixture. I like the fajita size rather than the taco size or burrito size because it's a smaller shell. So once you get out the shell, just take whatever portion size of the chicken and the green chili sauce mixture you want. It doesn't have to be perfect. I make some bigger and smaller, and then just fill it and then fold it and put it down in the Pyrex dish. And again, just keep on filling it with the chicken and green chili sauce mixture. It doesn't have to be perfect. So you're just gonna keep filling the fajita shells until you fill the pan. That's what the tray looks like before you top it with the rest of the green chili sauce. Make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And then open that second can of green chili sauce and just drizzle it over all of the enchiladas. Don't use the full can because if you're gonna make the full 18, make sure you have half left for the other dish. And then I like to use sharp cheddar cheese. We like this kind of cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you want. It doesn't have to be sharp cheddar. And then just drizzle the cheese over the enchiladas again. It doesn't have to be a lot. You can put a little bit of cheese, and I chose to only do cheese on half of the enchiladas. And that's what they look like before they go into the oven. Make sure your oven is preheated for 400 and set the timer for 15 minutes. After your 15 minutes, you got 2 trays of enchiladas. Again, we like to use a lot of cheese, so my enchiladas might be cheesier than yours. And don't forget to pair your enchiladas with some chips and salsa. And I usually let them sit just for a few minutes before I scoop them out. As you can tell, they're kind of falling apart. I like to pair it with a dollop of sour cream. And then again, whatever type of salsa you like, just a little bit on top. And there you have it, chicken enchiladas with sour cream and salsa. A full meal in 30 minutes or less. Remember, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.